Hello friends, today I would like to talk about one of the greatest inventions of mankind. I would like to talk about the invention of the wheel, the way it had started. Even in the Stone Age, we were really busy to think even what is a wheel, and the wheel is needed. But the moment we found time and we have made the invention of the wheel, we have used it. And even the old Egyptians, at the time when they made the pyramid 4,000 years ago, or actually 6,000 years ago, even there they have used this kind of rolls to carry the stones from far away towards the area where the pyramids were made. So, and on the end, let's have a look at this picture again. From a stone wheel, wood wheel, to a real car wheel. And I think after the car wheel, the sliding wheel came for our wonderful doors and windows. Look at this. This is of course the giant, which we are using for our lift and slide doors. This much big. And it can carry a weight up to 300 kg. Or, when someone wants to sell you like this, better don't buy the product, because this just small plastic, maybe not even nylon wheel, no one is going to know for how long it is going to last. For us, what we are using the bare wheeling, so that we have here a stainless steel body, here a ball bearing inside, which is used in the car industry, so that even our smallest roller can carry a weight capacity of around 80 kg. 80 kg is used for doors with a single glass. But what to do when the panels are becoming more heavy because of an insulated glass? Then we have our second option. It's a wonderful boogie. It's a double-side wheel, and it will carry the weight up to 120 kg. In 120 kg, I think a normal insulated glass and a normal panel up to, let's say, 8 to 8.5 to 9 feet in height can be taken with this wonderful roller. And when 120 kg is even insufficient, we have our latest invention. And this is our Rockstar. This is an SS304 body. And then I do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wheels. What is happening? When I have a normal sliding door, let me make you a drawing. Maybe you can come a little bit, you can look inside. This is my sliding panel. And I do have 2 wheels. That is balanced, and then my sash slides to this direction and my slash slides to that direction. So what would it happen if I put a lot of individual wheels in? It becomes unbalanced, because it is technically impossible that all 3 wheels will have the same height, and so that one wheel may be up and then my panel starts shaking, or the entire weight load is only going to come on one, in any case only on 2. And the 3rd wheel or 4th wheel, how many wheels I'm ever going to do in, are not going to get benefited to carry the overall weight of the section. That's why when we see even this, it is always moving, so that it will adjust itself in a way that both the wheels are taking the same pressure. And when we look here, for our Rockstar, here we have 5 wheels. And these 5 wheels are completely adjusted to each other. It means it is absolute assured that each of these 5 wheels is taking the complete weight load. And as I said, we can use this for 200, maximum 220 kg. And there any sliding door with an insulated glass or a laminated glass even, or any large panel with even up to 10 feet in height, will fit into this 220 kg. And only when we are exhausted over here, then we have to go for the bullet, for the big one, lift and slide roller, where the rollers are this much big. But the sections are big accordingly, where we can carry weight up to 300 kg. So friends, I hope something was new. I think we could show something about our wonderful set of rollers we are having. My name is Mario from Lingel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.